Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Dr. Said went ahead and launched another wonderful serum, another new serum in the market, Ashwagandha and Alpha Arbutin. This is not a sponsored or a video where I got the product as a PR. I bought this product from Dr. Said. So watch the video till the end before you decide should you be getting this one for yourself or not. I did review the vitamin C as well as the niacinamide Centella serum on my channel some time back. So if you want to know more about the other two serums as well, consider watching that video after this one, because yes, when you have so many, you would like to know about every single serum and then decide which one you are interested in and which serum is made for your skin. But today's video is all about the Ashwagandha and Alpha Arbutin. So without rambling too much, let's get into it. So Delhi is extremely hot and I'm sweating like a pig. That is why my hair is being pushed behind, because I really don't want any kind of disturbance between my review. So the product is gonna come into a packaging just like this, which you already know. I really like the new packaging on Dr. Said products, so thumbs up on that. Here you get 30 ml of product for 695 rupees, and if you end up buying from Dr. Said website, I see you get 20% to 10% off, and I have always got their products on discount. So yes, you can save some money. Here all the detail of the product, the ingredients, what the ingredients do for your skin, everything is mentioned inside the box. So you can just open it and read it like a newspaper, and you know everything about your product, what it's going to do for your skin. Let's move on to the actual body of the product. This is how your Ashwagandha and Alpha Arbutin serum would come in a very nice glass bottle packaging. This is a standard packaging, and these kind of serums should come into a packaging like this, where they are not directly exposed to sun and too much of light and heat as well. Now, one more thing before I jump into the product, how it is, I will forget mentioning this. Do not open your bottle again and again, or else your product will start oxidizing, because I have seen this happening with Dr. Said products in general, and this has happened with my vitamin C serum as well as of now. So yes, my bottle of vitamin C has reached here, but now it tends to smell vaguely and it just sits on my skin in a very vague manner. My skin doesn't absorb the product. So one information which I wanted to give you, to keep that in mind: do not keep your product open, do not expose it too much. That is why even I'm not opening it as of now, because I do not want to damage the product. Now it comes in a pump packaging, so you basically have to pump it, take the product in your hands or in your skin and just blend it into your skin. I would not say massage or tap. Everybody has a notion or way to put their serum, so do as you like. You get a lot in here. Let's get into the ingredient one by one. The number one ingredient which you see in here is L-arginine, which is 2.5%. What basically this ingredient is more of an antioxidant which is generated by your own skin, and it basically helps to maintain the vitality of your skin. It also fights with the free radical damages as well. Alpha Arbutin is more of a molecule which prevents in forming dark spots, or maybe just reducing the discoloration which is happening on the skin and giving you more of a clearer skin. If you start using this product, and I also have seen when you start using it in your daily skincare routine at least once a day, you do see a lot of dark spots fading away. If you have very light dark spots which are very new, this serum can actually help to reduce it completely. Licorice root extract is again something which has more of a great capacity to fade the spots on the skin, as well as give you more of a soothed skin. It helps to remove the irritation also from the skin. And Ashwagandha extract is more of a ingredient which will help to maintain the elasticity of the skin, give you more of clear skin and give you more of a brightened and soothed skin. So all in all, if you see, this product is marketed as more of a correcting serum for your skin, and it can work as more of an anti-aging serum as well as a serum with people who are already into their late 30s or late 40s. This product blends into the skin, melts into the skin and quickly absorbs, and when you touch your skin after 20-30 minutes of application, you would feel that your skin feels really smooth and soothed. I would highly recommend you using this product at least once a day. If you have nothing on your skin happening, if you have a very nice skin, but it's just that you want to protect your skin from all the radical damages and all the spots or maybe aging, then you can include this product once a day. But if you have a lot of things happening on your skin, then you can include this product twice a day to see those things reducing and giving you more of a clearer and more of a corrected skin. As alpha-arbutin ingredient itself also helps a lot with the depigmentation. It reduces your pigmentation. It helps to reduce your acne scars or spots. So this alpha-arbutin is one of the core ingredients which really helps to correct your skin in a bigger way. So all the ingredients together definitely sits in well, and yes, will give you more of a nice brightened up skin. I have been using this product from the time it has been launched, and yes, I do see myself using this product constantly every single morning because of the texture. Secondly, the way it just leaves my skin during the day. I'm a combination to oily skin. I need a product which doesn't sit onto my skin in a vague manner and do not do anything. This product quickly absorbs into the skin and give me a nice clear skin. Yes, if you have a lot going on, give at least 3 weeks to 4 weeks to see considerable noticeable changes on your skin, but you will definitely see changes. I'm saying definitely in a very definite manner because I have seen changes with the serum, and it is just for $6.95 compared to many other brands like Ordinary, It's Skin. They're so expensive and you have to pay so much. Here it is easily available. $6.95, you get 30 ml of product, and you can use this product more than 2 to 3 months. If you're using it twice a day, then this product is going to last you 1.5 months. If you use it once a day, then this product is going to easily last you for 2 months. But yes, Dr. Seed getting a serum like this is really good and well made for Indian weather and for Indian skin, and much needed. So now you know all about the new ashwagandha and alpha-arbutin serum, and you know how to keep your product as well. It is a wonderfully made product for all Indian skin type, as well as well made for Indian weather as well. Now you must be confused. Now you have 3 serums to choose which one to buy. Definitely buy your vitamin C. Never skip on your vitamin C serum. Now talking about the niacinamide and the ashwagandha, if you have an aging skin and if you are looking for a product which helps in your aging as well as correcting your spots, and you have minor issues, then you can go for the ashwagandha and alpha-arbutin. But if you have a lot going on, like you want to remove your blemishes, you want to fix your dark spots, if you have a irritating skin, if you have a acne skin, if you have a combination to oily skin, and if you have a skin which has a lot going on but one serum is needed, then I would strongly suggest you the niacinamide and the cantella one. Once you're done with the niacinamide and the cantella one, then you can buy your ashwagandha and alpha-arbutin one. That's how I did it, and that's how my skin also loved it, and that's how I could see visible changes on my skin. When you try a lot of different products, then you do not understand which one is working. It's magic. So it is always best to keep as minimal you can. So just get your vitamin C and one of the serums from other 2. You will not be disappointed. I hope you loved watching this in-depth review on the new Dr. Seed ashwagandha and alpha-arbutin serum. I absolutely loved all the 3 serums for my skin type. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek. Everything will be linked in my description if you want to grab one for yourself. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and ta-da.